Hello everyone. Today we are going to review how to submit a 2847 ticket specifically for AP testing support. The best practice for submitting a ticket is going into My Access Rapid Identity and clicking on the 2847 icon, the Service Support Center. Next, you'll click on the New Ticket button found on the left side of our screen. Next, you'll choose Devices/Hardware for any broken or lost devices. This section includes missing keys, screen damage, and lost chargers, just to name a few issues. Once you click on the section, your device will show. At the bottom, we're going to click Show All Categories to choose the student device. And I went a little too fast. I had to go back, Devices, and instead of phones, we're going to click on Laptops/Notebooks. The best one to choose, you can choose, I don't know the model, but the best one for us to choose is the Apple MacBook Air for students. Next, we're going to do hardware and damage. There's also a keyboard, trackpad, and mouse, and then there's power for the chargers if they've lost it. But for this example, we're going to go to hardware and damage. So we're going to do screen cracked or broken, and in the describe your issue for the ticket, make sure that you put a greeting, your student name, their ID, and the issue. And also, if we're close to the AP test date, you're going to put that in there too. So that way we can make sure that there is an efficient return of the student's device. So I'm going to do a little magic, and there it is. Student name, B. Roke screen, student ID, the issue, the screen is damaged. We need it before AP testing, and the AP testing date is there. Please put in your room number. I tried to put in my new office number, and it didn't work. So I had to go back and put in my old office number so it would generate. So I'm not sure if the annex rooms are in there or not. I hope so. Location details are up to you. The type of damage, I'm going with broken screen. I enter in my phone number and then the name of the user. So what I did in this one is I used our ITC, Ms. Navas, as an example. Please don't put students in the tickets. Additional users, I use myself as an example. You might want to put that student's GP teacher. You also have the option to add a file or a screen recording, and then you would submit the ticket. What I do here is I go back and I show you that you can change it if you need to. So I go back and change it to, you know what, no, I'm going to put Corey Adams instead as the user. And then I'm going to add two teachers, an additional user. So now I add Ms. Navas as an additional user. So you can add as many as you want when it says to notify additional users. Once that's done, then you would submit the ticket. Now I'm going to choose the go back, and we're going to go back and show you how to submit a ticket when there's issues with Blue Book. So we click on that new ticket, we go to software, online systems, and you're going to scroll down to online testing. You're going to choose Blue Book. And if there is an issue with the install or update, or if you need software support, you're going to click on that. You're going to use this after the ITCs have come out to support. We're going to put that information in there again like we did before. Your phone number, additional users, so you can add the ITCs, you can add a GP teacher. And then, of course, if there is any screenshots or screen recordings, you'd add that as well. And just another reminder, we're not adding students to the tickets. And then after that, you're going to click on Submit Ticket. Please reach out if you need any support. We can come and do these for you as well. Have a great day.